आपने सोशल मीडिया को एक बिजनेस के फॉर्म में लिया।
हम क्या करें हमें नहीं पता।
इंस्टाग्रामर्स और जो टिकटॉक जिनके मिलियंस ऑफ व्यूज हैं, वो तो फिर बेचारे हमसे पैसे लेंगे।
I found parandas in Bangladesh, in Nepal, in Canada now,
Wow,
and in
okay.
Pakistan. So I have like a whole paranda collection.
Going
Staying
and
in a
showing it over there,
resort.
selfie with the people,
It's none
but
of
you're
that.
wearing the lehengas, you're wearing the bracelets. I
go
saw your
back
Thar
to-
videos where
I
you
can
would
go
dress
back
like a
to
Thar
those
woman.
countries, and I have families that I can live with.
Following the murders, let's go
Yes.
real back. I want to give, if in case Madina you don't know, there was a lady called Kandil Baloch. It all started with her. She was a social media influencer, and she did have that sexualized video going.
इंडिया के अंदर भी अभी recently
Yeah.
हुआ था, and I really want to highlight that कि that was an educated family, an educated father who shot his daughter point blank 3 times after setting up the tennis academy for her, which he told her that you cannot do and you cannot showcase anymore in front. ये हमारे बड़े mixed values हैं.
आपने सोशल मीडिया को एक बिजनेस के फॉर्म में लिया।
Yeah.
यू नॉट ओनली एक्चुअली विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को आप आगे बढ़ाती हैं, आप स्मॉल बिजनेसेस को इनकरेज करती हैं, आपका जो विमेन्स फेस्टिवल होता है। नाउ आप, दिस इज अ बेस। I would want you to, for our audience perspective and the women especially watching this show, and men as well, जो अपना business start करना चाहते हैं, how useful is this social media tool, और ये आपके business को कितना लेके जाएगा, and how can you help them do that?
So how I can help comes at a very later stage. I think the first and foremost thing that comes to my DM is basically हम क्या करें हमें नहीं पता. ठीक है, that's the first question that anybody asks
तो
me
बताइए।
when they. So what my answer usually to them is कि what do you like to do? Your passion is your business.
Right.
You like cooking, post cooking videos. You like crochet, you post crochet videos. You like even if you like making videos, you can work on that. I mean anything and anything. Every person has a passion. कोई अगर स्विमिंग भी करना चाहते हैं ना तो वो उसकी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स भी पोस्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड द ओनली पॉइंट इज यू हैव टू बी वेरी लाइक शी सेड, यू हैव टू बी वेरी कंसिस्टेंट, हैव टू बी वेरी पेशेंट, बिकॉज ये इंस्टाग्राम और टिकटॉक एकदम से वायरल नहीं होते. यू
Yeah,
हैव
takes
टू मेक
time.
कनेक्शन. सो
Collaborations.
social media is a networking tool for you, like an online networking tool.
मगर जो हमारे जो इंस्टाग्रामर्स और जो टिकटॉक जिनके मिलियंस ऑफ व्यूज हैं, वो तो फिर बेचारे हमसे पैसे लेंगे। वो मतलब उनको भी तो अपनी दुकान चलानी, काम चलाना है।
Monetization is in its own
It's for
place.
everything, हाँ.
But I think when it comes to business, क्योंकि आपने कराची Women's Festival में बहुत सारी मिडिल क्लास लड़कियों को होम बेस्ड वेंडर्स को एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया था कि आपने उनको
Exactly.
ट्रेनिंग दी, उनको एक एग्जीबिशंस करवाए, इनको कनेक्ट किया लोगों के साथ, आपने एक पूरा एक इकोसिस्टम सा क्रिएट किया हुआ इसमें. सो इन दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट कि अगर आपके पास एक बिजनेस है, फॉर एग्जांपल उन्होंने कहा कुकिंग है, आपके पास कोई भी शौक है, आपने क्रिएट किया कंटेंट, आपने एक फॉलोइंग बनाई, उसके बाद आपने ब्रांडिंग उस हिसाब से की है, ओके, और उस हिसाब से प्रोडक्ट्स बेचे हैं.
Exactly.
अभी रिसेंटली हमने हॉलीवुड में देखा है, सिडनी स्वीनी बड़ी मशहूर एक एक्ट्रेस है, और उसने क्या किया अभी
The soap?
रिसेंटली, हाँ, शी सोल्ड अ बाथ वाटर सोप. Now, obviously, because her brand is so heavily sexualized, that's what she sold, and that's something that she's pigeonholed into.
ब्रांड
And
और
there's a whole
प्रोडक्ट की अगर बात
conversation.
करें ना ज़ैनब,
हाँ.
so here we have Medina. She was wearing a paranda, which is a very
Yes.
Punjabi, So I was noticing that and the noise it was making, which is so ये बड़ा हमारे पंजाब का बड़ा एक culture है, and you're wearing it, you're rocking it on our show. Tell us a little bit about it.
I started wearing parandas not in Pakistan.
Okay.
It was actually in Nepal. So
Okay.
in Nepal, they had a culture of wearing parandas with, a lot of traditional stuff. So every time I would go out, people would meet me and they would give me parandas.
Yeah.
That's when I started, learning how to wear them. I remember my grandma wearing it, but since I was in Canada, you can't get a hold of parandas. It's very hard to find.
Yeah.
So are
So
you
then-
bringing parandas to the world? Are you making that a trend again?
I found parandas in Bangladesh, in Nepal, in Canada now,
Wow.
and in
okay.
Pakistan. So I have like a whole paranda collection.
So you've become a cultural ambassador of sorts, right?
For parandas.
For parandas
And
and our culture.
but this is branding, right? आपने दिखाया,
There you
आपने
go.
डिफरेंट मुल्कों में दिखाया, आपने उसको पहना, आप हमारी शो में
उनके
पहन
कपड़े
करेंगे.
डाले,
right?
उनके कपड़े
Like
डाले,
if-
उनकी लैंग्वेज स्पीक कर रही हूँ, उनका खाना खा रही हूँ, उनके घर में हूँ. It's not like I'm a foreigner trying to be, like
Just going
staying
and
in a
showing it over there,
resort.
selfie with the people,
none
but
of
you're
that.
wearing the lehengas, you're wearing the bracelets. I
can
saw
go
your
back
Thar
to-
videos where
I
you
can
would
go
dress
back
like a
to
Thar
those
woman.
countries, and I have families that I can live with.
My question to you is, देखिए, like I said before, TikTok has had a bad rap in Pakistan. Following the murders, let's go
Yes.
real back. I want to give, if in case Madina you don't know, there was a lady called Kandil Baloch. It all started with her. She was a social media influencer, and she did have that sexualized video
She
going.
was a singer, like a.
No,
Yes.
she was
No,
a
she was
no.
just a
she was just a social media
That's
influencer.
Kurutin
Yes,
Baloch you're
yes,
talking about,
yes.
So
yeah.
it
I
was
remember.
long way
And her
back then.
absolutely useless,
Pakistani
worthless,
Kardashian.
jobless
Yeah,
brother
you can say that.
went and killed her out of honor. When honor killing comes into this, pata hai kya, I do want to, while you're asking this
Please,
question,
please.
it's not just her example. Obviously, we've seen a string of
started
murders
with her,
over
yes.
here. Yeah, you started with her, and we discussed this yesterday. You had talked about Sana Yusuf as well too.
Yes.
But India के अंदर भी अभी recently
Yeah.
हुआ था, and I really want to highlight that was an educated family, an educated father who shot his daughter point blank 3 times after setting up the tennis academy for her, which he told her that you cannot do and you cannot showcase anymore in front. ये हमारे बड़े mixed values हैं इधर.
Mixed
you know,
values.
and I
So
really want to talk about
yeah.
that.
So Mehak, I really wanted to talk about this. I'm so sorry, but I just wanted to complete my question. We have a bad rap for TikTok. Women are getting killed. Men are also getting killed. एक केस था, politically charged था, वो लड़का TikTok बनाता था, उसको मारा गया.
Children are being targeted on. What are they watching? Why are they watching the
I
mudras?
agree, huh.
How is that okay? Little girls are on dramas. 15-year-olds
Do you know
are
how
in
many-
dramas, and
I don't
they
agree with
are
that,
in a
listen.
romantic relationship with a man 3 times their age, not double, 3 times their age.
Wow.
And that's shown in Pakistan. All the recent dramas. I'm just sitting here. I'm like, why? What's this? What's this thing
I
with
think
minors?
it's everything altogether. So it's not just, see, it's not social media. It's the kind of like culture, environment, politically, socially, we are all surrounded with. Agar aap politically bhi dekhen, so a lot of people use these things to amplify their, stage. For example, radical Islamists over there, they use these TikToks and videos to basically incite violence. ठीक है?
So
And
we are
they
now
have-
inciting something else. And Mehak, my question to you was, okay, how do we change this bad rap? How do we reset that thinking? How can
I
TikTok?
like to bring up something.
Please.
I came to Pakistan after 22 years. And did I speak about that before?
No. But
Okay, so I came to Canada. I came to Pakistan 22 years. And it was my first night. I'm not going to forget it. It was at night, and I was just sitting. And I'm like, oh, let me go on Netflix and see कि Pakistan में क्या चल रहा है. And it's Ramzan time. The first trending is 50 Shades Darker, sex education,
Yes.
and this
Wow.
is Ramzan, so Shaitan is locked up.
Shaitan.
And then I go on my, on my TikTok because I want to see, okay, now what the algorithm is telling me. I put the SIM card in. Now let me see what the country's watching. Mudra, some sexual, explicit lip sync, guys doing wheelies, mudras, more
So,
mudras.
can I
It's
say
so-
something over here?
Please.
It's also because you see, when you don't follow, you pretend you follow Islam and you don't follow Islam. So there's a very basic thin line between it.
Yes.
When you're actually deep down studying Islam, I'll talk with this sexual thing. Why does a child watch these videos? ठीक है? If an average family of 4 is living in one room,
Ah,
till the age of 8 to 10, the children are living in the room. What do you expect? Their core memories are built. They've seen a lot of things, and we are
Bilkul.
not addressing that.
And nobody
If you
talks about
actually
this.
look in Islam, like after 2.5 years, a child is supposed to stay in a separate room, not with
Yeah.
the parents. Now, if a parent is being intimate and they're thinking the child is sleeping, the child is not sleeping. Even in sleep, the child is creating a core memory. Now, that
Yes.
core memory is stuck with them, and obviously, when they're searching, they will
It's
get
something
interested,
familiar.
attracted.
Right.
You know,
But
and
recently
that-
familiar,
कभी
they're like
report निकाला
sponges.
है National Human Rights Commission में, and about 900 plus kids are in jail because of this particular incident that happened. I'm not going to mention the name. The viewers can always go on National Human Rights Commission की website, उसमें ये reports लिखी हुई हैं. So वो क्या? How did they target the kids? Through porn sites,
Wow.
right? And chat bots on that, and there were kids that are under the age of 10.
So
Wasn't
how
that a
what
case
was-
of being honeypotted? Like,
Yeah, honey
no,
trap.
yeah,
you can say
but-
honey
that,
trap,
huh?
Yeah, honey trapped हुआ है, and
Or a
the-
case of grooming. Have you seen that Dua Zehra's case? That
Yep.
was a clear case
There's
of
so
grooming.
many
right?
family YouTubers that are being canceled right now. One
Yeah.
just went to jail for
For?
using their kids for pedophilia.
wow.
Yeah.
So she'll place her child and give her phallic looking things like pickles, hot dogs,
Wow.
and tell her to eat it in a in a
But
not
where is
so
this?
nice
Where,
manner.
where is this?
On TikTok.
No, but what
But
country?
not
What
Pakistan,
origin?
I think
America. This is
America.
America.
So it's
So
just
I
not
do feel
here.
like America and
Western,
Pakistan have very
Pakistan,
similar issues when it comes
very
to these
So,
similar.
issues.
Meg,
It's
Meg,
everywhere.
my
Freedom, my coach, freedom.